Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I received Alina's package, and she is now selling foil and the hot plates. So this is perfect if you have the Glimmer hot foil machine or any kind of hot foil machine system you might have. I have the one from Spellbinders, and this one here is a bunch of pretty flowers, and this one you can also buy the dies. This one is gorgeous. Then we have this one here. Then we have this one. And I'm going to post the link to her video just so you can see what she does also. I'm just going to test one out just so you guys can see what it looks like. But isn't these gorgeous? Then she also has the foils. So she has this silver, this green, this purple, this gorgeous red, and this gold. Beautiful colors. I tested some out already. So this is the one with the flower. Do you see the foiling? It's so gorgeous. And I'm still new with this machine, so I'm still playing with it. There's a lot that you can do with this machine. Then I also did this one. You see that? That is all the hot plates and this foil. So we're gonna do this one together just so you can see how this thing works. Okay, so let me see if I'm gonna move my machine over and slide over the hot machine. Okay, all right, so this is what the Glimmer hot foiling machine looks like. This one's from Spellbinders. You get the machine, you get the thin shim, and you also get the, what's this one called? The spacer pad. Okay, so what we want to do is you turn the machine on until it says platform ready. Once the platform is ready, that means this is hot. This thing gets hot, so you don't want to be touching that. Oh, it also comes with these little, I don't know what this thing is called, but you pick it up with this and you put it on here so it could cool off. All right, so what you want to do is once you put your hot plate on the machine, you take a piece of your foil, enough for it to fit that right there. So I'm just gonna cut a piece off. I need better scissors. And just cut a piece right here. So you just want to cut a piece of the foil out. Okay. Once you do that, you take the shiny side down and you put it over your plate. Once that is there, you take your spacer pad, you put it right on. Whoops, sorry. Actually, once you do this, the foil, you got to put your paper, obviously. So take the paper, and I got my fan going on, so everything's like going all over the place. So you put that there, and then you put the paper that you're going to use on top, your plate, your thin shim. I always like to put an extra piece of cardstock there just to make it even more. Once that's there, you press the timer. You see that flashing green light? You're going to wait until that light turns completely green. Once that turns completely green, you know that it is ready to go. Once that is green and it's ready to go, we're going to pull this out and we're going to run it through our machine. Okay? So we're going to wait. I was going to pause the video, but I'm going to do this in real time so you see exactly how long it's going to take for this machine to get hot. And it doesn't take that long. It's actually, I don't know if it's actually maybe just a full minute or what. But let's wait and see. Just keep your eyes on that so we can see. And once that is hot, we're going to run it through the machine. But I'm telling you, the more you practice, this machine is still new for me, so I haven't used it as much. The more you practice, there's so many techniques. Actually, Alina made a video, and I'm going to link that in the description bar also. Oh, you see? It's green. So we're ready to go. So now we're going to take this out. You see? Get your cutting machine. Okay, we're gonna take the whole system, everything, and we're gonna put it through our machine right here. And like, you're kind of pretend to cut, but you're not. You're just rolling it back and forth. Because remember, this is not a die, this is just like a hot plate. I like to do it a few times. One more. And let's see. You take it out. Take this machine here. You take the plate out. Take everything out. Take the card. Now this here, that's what you take your plate, you see? And you put it in the rubber mat so it's cooling off. Now let's see the reveal. So you slowly peel the paper off and look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So once you do that, you can cut around it. You can use a die itself. And that's what I used for this one. I just used a die over it. Obviously the paper, I didn't make it big enough. But then you run it through your machine and it cuts. I just wanted you to see the foiling itself. And you see the sparkle of the colors? That's the gold. It is gorgeous. If for any reason you have extra foil that you do not want, that rubs off. So you take your pencil eraser and that rubs off. But that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you a quick little video showing you that Alina now has the hot plates. And if you have this machine, these dies are a must. Okay, I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.